Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect IONOS domain to Twitter, which is now called X. First thing I want you to do is log into your IONOS dashboard. Come to the top left, click on menu, click on the first option, domains and SSL. Now I want you to just identify the IONOS domain or subdomain that you want to connect to Twitter. So I'll click on this one right here. And as you can see, it's currently connected to Pinterest. So here you'll see destination under details. And I want you to click on Adjust Destination. Now, it's connected to Pinterest, so click here, Adjust Connection to External Page. Click on this, and then here under Social Media Services, you'll see Twitter, which is now X, so you click on that. And you just need to enter your X username, okay? It will be shown on your profile. So when you get to your profile here from the left-hand panel, you can just click on Profile, and you'll be on this page. And you can just copy this username right here and paste that in, okay? And then I want you to go ahead and hit connect. Make sure you have the @ symbol as well. And then click on connect. And then you should see connection successful. There you go. It is now connected to X. And now if I take this domain, right, the URL, I paste it in. And if I press enter, it should redirect me right here to this Twitter profile, okay? And that is how to connect your IONOS domain to Twitter, which is now called X.